Hi everyone, welcome to Hojinx Motors Garage, the home of affordable quality transformations. Today, we will repair the front bumper and bonnet of a Nissan Wingroad. Twende kazi. We start off by removing the car's fixtures. Paint is then scraped off. Filler is applied and sanded down to smoothness. Primer is sprayed and thereafter the undercoat and final paint coat is sprayed. Once the paint has completely dried, buffing is done. Thanks for watching. See you on the next project.